how to make chicken stew with vegetables in an instant pot. Using the saute function, fry the onions and the chicken, then add water, stock, and you prefer sauce or chopped tomatoes. Here I'm using homemade chicken stock. Here you add your preferred sauce. Here I've added tikka masala and tomato sauce. And then after that I've added some salt, stir it properly, then cancel the saute. And then put the lid on and then pressure cook. Yeah, and it says 12, but I don't want 12. I'm gonna reduce it to 10. To 10 and then start. Yeah, so I'm just gonna press here start. Okay, and then we come back when it's finished. So this is now finished, so I'm just gonna wait for 2 minutes and then I can release the steam. So let's release the steam here. There you go. Now we can slowly. And there you go. Nothing. I can see here already the chicken is really done now, but now I just need to add now the vegetables quickly and then seasoning and then vegetables. Okay. Cumin, coriander, black pepper. Now I'm gonna add now all the vegetables I have here. These are frozen, but that's fine. Should be okay. So now here, down here, so I'm just gonna press. So you press saute, and then it gives you here, like here, the temperature. I press this, so that's why I give you a temperature. So now you need to customize it. Just go. So you need to say which temperature. So that's level 1. I don't want level 1. So I'm going to go to level 2, level 3. So I'm going to go to level 3 and then press 7 minutes and then press start. Okay, so this is what's going to be. It's going to be level 3. Or you can press cook again for 2 minutes. So I'm going to stir it. And then cover it up now. And then leave it for 6 minutes. There you go. So here really level 3 is not right, it's too high, so I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to just do it again and then try and just see the temperature. So I could say make it level 2, so going down now. Okay, so I'm just going to press it to start. Okay, alright, let's hope this is going to be better, because that level was a little bit too high. As you can see, look at that, that's still too high. So okay, we'll come back. So this level is perfect. As you can see, it's not so high. It's cooking really slowly, so that's good. Okay. Right, I know the chicken is done, so I'm just gonna have to check the rest of the vegetables and see. So we'll leave it to simmer for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, it's done. Enjoy. See you in the next video.